It will be a ebusa say Adana Kevin Taylor air trending a Okatakyie Afrifa air kasa. Meto me boase na machiro mu de ntia Kevin Taylor air trending a Okatakyie Afrifa ebuofu a in fact autoto fire e de park so. Aha eye AJ gossip feeling free na kire wadwen. Now we are bomodin sa wo be share amount nua bisa etumi aka eti ne nyina ne say from 2020 e de e ba ne nyina na arrest warrant e da eye Kevin Taylor eso. The kwanya efa so ebeda no so eni se NCA case bia according to ono Kevin Taylor no opa kire se otemofo anajeja otena edwam edi asem no edi niye anase obu atenchia anajeje no edi Justice Eric Cheyibafo enti a freeze time no na arrest warrant no ye de eto ne so se onye obi a owo Ghana nemo abri biara Kevin Taylor ebepiem e wo Ghana bia no in fact ye nche no ebusia na eno ena chese ene omukopie mu ewo court Supreme Court omukopie mu no judges 5 omu etena asem ne so no in fact emu 9 say asem na omudi ato eye Kevin Taylor so no yemomu ama chese akwakoye 4:1 atemofo num no emu 9 akọ ama eye Kevin Taylor ena emu baako anko ama no enti sabrede arrest warrant ayede eto no so se osiga na bia yente no ebusia court abagu na omuwie asenie no ene wo Brazil te hye no ne nose mask bi ni se de wo si ye gaga bia ye bie pono ama ne se onkonkofo no ebusia ye hwemra ye ba de Okatakyie Afrifa eka before ene court ene nsem bia wasa ababe react after court no we di bewom e de amount.
Also, is there? Okay. Is there any word for Ghanaians?
I'll go. I'll go here. Yes. Let's go.
Ebuzanti after asenie na Okatakyie Afrifa ebuofu in fact yakasa yemfa ye enkasem a Okatakyie Afrifa ebuofu ye ni nyina ene se last week na Okatakyie Afrifa eba abontene ebeye video na o kire se Kevin Taylor ene kwa wo court no enya de se obefa ne ho adi because ne nsem bia waka etia Justice Eric Cheyibafo no eni enyan ebuzanti yemoshi na yentie nsem a odi tu dwa emra ye ba and then after court proceedings, no, Sunday, Emma, Okatakyie Afrifa asade atuja.
Arrest warrant no didn't issue arrest warrant. You issue arrest warrant and say the police should arrest you because the court has subpoenaed you. Because the court has subpoenaed when the Maraka was a bra. Now if you will not come, then the police must arrest you and bring you to the court. Never chire dientia any kwase court in the punish you. So by operation of law, arrest warrant when it's issued, it is not for you to go to jail because arrest warrant is issue. Abe yebe grounds are branches who challenge.
More fire.
And young kone kobo video, sa video na no shot ade white no. Wo did Justice Cheyibafo atem. Say over videos. Kire say Justice Cheyibafo. Well you compromise. It yenye free so. Obe ka kire adasane say Justice Cheyibafo e compromise. And ye ekwan bi so the judgment ba na anko no say de wo penu a wo bu court na nimtia if Justice Cheyibafo say bra wa ma dan ye ntie de ye ya Justice Cheyibafo eko issue eye arrest warrant to no so
More fire.
na ye be ready arrest warrant na also wo seek to set us aside
More fire.
na gobi ye the arrest warrant to so eno ye ko Supreme Court na go set aside what do you more? Warrant is in such a way that the moment you are arrested and you are brought before the court, the warrant is discharged. It is also when you are here. Go to the court, and the warrant will have no effect again.
Precisely so.
What do you more? Now when you have to phone, after you judges in the bedroom, come Munchie Asamo Kai Munchie.
have tapes, audio. I will release them if the right thing is not done. Justice Chebafor has been compromised by this government, and the quicker the Chief Justice takes him off this case, the better for our judicial system, and also better for the Chief Justice himself. This is not a warning, but a serious caution. I have said, I have tapes, audio. I will release them if the right thing is not done. Justice Chebafor has been compromised by this government, and the quicker the Chief Justice takes him off this case, the better for our judicial system, and also better for the Chief Justice himself.
Eti Abranche Jani General Obi Abranche time Justice Chebafor eti NCA case no and was say our tapes our audios kyerɛ sɛ Justice Chebafor ye compromise exactly why na Justice Chebafor say brananim for audio for tapes kro no bra ne be kyerɛ ye ntie ni kwase ye punish ye be ba be hwɛ ono ne police in the grounds of a application no very wap guy na adwene ne mu ye be read the points now make it no na fe ya hwɛ no one by one ni ahwɛ de odi court na court it also wo judge or case so wo audio wo tapes kyerɛ man for no say he's been compromised no say bra for audio ni tapes ni bra wa ma now say any may issue arrest warrant against you. Now, young arrest warrant na Justice Chebafor issued in 2020. If you feel say rights or fundamental human right has been abused, there are processes that you go through. Constitutional under Article 33, it says that when you feel your fundamental human rights have been abused, you have to go to High Court and make sure you seek for a redress. It will head the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court judges in here. If says a fundamental human right, the arrest warrant was not issued in accordance with the law. Where is he supposed to seek a redress? Is it not a High Court? Supreme Court. There are so many cases. This versus the Attorney General. So many cases are there. Which says that you cannot wrap the enforcement of your fundamental human right and make it more like a public spirited issue, public interest in a case. Now coincidentally, Otina Honwa, Emma Jomama appointed 7 judges. Now quickly, what the other so set aside. Set the aside. Have a young warrior there, Daddy. Justice Chebafor issue arrest warrant. You read the arrest warrant, no? Now you read the wording of the arrest warrant. Niyan say arrest warrant is in such a way say the court in the person who can say wo ya frasa bra na wo madia police moncheno efamra. As it stands now, the arrest warrant is still effective. It ya hwa kwan ya be fa so a national security for be bọ akwa we hu bai. No mo de na ko Supreme Court to say omo kwa ma yayi sa arrest warrant for ewa abra mo nya arrest no. If it's national security police by the time a guy we be free sa hotel no me no ka so de be owo sa fie bi adwoma ma wie ye o wie the service no o see ya fan channel former vice president fio e ho no mo de boy yakotra under heavy security. What kind of foolishness baby a Kevin Taylor tini baby a president e ho ne ya second etimu a Kevin Taylor abuse mo o te baby a former president adwoma ma wie the service no o see ya fan channel no e ho no mo de na kotra e ho no mo de na kotra under heavy national security na adwoma ma na em se bibi gichi no na nkwase ade we wo so Tiele me kan yi na ye hwe kwan ye be fa so a say arrest warrant is still effective wa akwa we be free ni fie ho akopie eye court wo Supreme Court wo on the 22nd a yen arrest no if say o free sa fie ho e court wo even see you arrest you the arrest warrant to so you don't no fly a list so so the very moment our Orlando airport one immigration is supposed to alert the police. National security is to na ye hwe kon on be fa so de na copy Supreme Court that means all of you are in contempt of the court. Mu court nti na moto agdi nkwasasem sa brantie wi oye hwanya kwasiase
it is said the Okatakyie Afrifa esi susu ye no amamu saa na che se akọ etia na susu ye no me no na obo omoden ekopie mu e ni Facebook page na ochre say a dangerous president sets undermine and disrespect the judiciary, leave the country and work hard for your political party to come into power and appeal to a higher court. Lecture 101. What kind of government is this? As a citizen, be worried. #scam. Enti bomode na ekeka wadwene bu atemuafo enimtia keka wadwene na etufu oman ni mu kobo ho adwa wo baabi na ebomode yamboa wo political party na omu emra power entansa bi ayede ato so ne kwadu bi ayede ato so bia no esana adwuma pa waye ede ama wo party nti no emfa ho ni Supreme Court asem no eba kopie ombedi ede ama wo na se wo ye oman ba e wosa wo chese sa asem we no how be worried. If you are a citizen, be worried. And no name someone Okatakyie Afrifa eka. Wamano answer wa ebuzia. Next is to give him appointment since the fake doctors failed. Follow the script and or the ending to #focus #precisely so. Okatakyie Afrifa the assembaba. And you will go or say the etoso miensa esa ebai or say CSOS are mute, neutrals are sick, the media is bought. The clergy are interceding. Traditional councils are observant. This same energy should be maintained when power shifts. If it was wrong yesterday, it is still wrong today. Senra na yemfunsoa ene e wose e yemfunso na uboshi ekopiem e wo Kevin Taylor enso so akachi in fact obose e ho no kwatweto ho se bidimafo dimasem amame because the law is the law. The law is the law. What man no ensi wa. And osabe chere say, if you like, come to Ghana. If you like, come to Ghana. LOL, laugh out loud. Ebuzia, na just say, o true shades. Edi ama wana na esusu say, a sign arrest warrant e da no swinti ontimi ma Ghana. Oba Ghana ye beche no e na mfa hin kosi ha no. Say die, Ghana no obetimi akọ aba anytime bia ope bia because ye yisa adeso no e de free so. Arrest warrant no ya boegu. It is what it is, Kevin Taylor trending e media and so ene okopie mu e Supreme Court. Say ma e share video no ono ankasa e na ekoye ai okopie mu e Supreme Court wuhu no e bia wuhu ono ase wo nante da ma mo hu na ensem a Okatakyie Afrifa edi kan be kan ye any after court proceedings no the wa be kan so mama wo atie etuba gudi enti a Okatakyie Afrifa ebuofu e ma remfi se banter edomu mienu ntem tina onim se Okopie Supreme Court na de kaish anya hwekwa no unua ho be fa ne ho be kire no e na ankoba ne saa enu nti any poster hodo a wayeye ma chichiri mo e de akire no feel free na kire wadwe na wi a but mo den sa wo be share ama onu abisa etumi aka eye AG gossips me den e de AG beda wase na mama omo ene hwe Magraheb.